Here I am in our hallway drop zone nook. It's not perfect, but it's functional. Somewhere where you can write a note, just random stuff. You know, sometimes stuff that doesn't have a home. It's just a water vase that you can sit all your glasses and sometimes some earrings in. It needs a tidy up. We all need a drill. You know, we like to wreck things because we're on Wreck It with Rex, remember? Let me show you how the Nook works. Hi honey, I'm home. Hope you've had a great day. Just gonna put my keys up here. Here's my handbag. My glasses. Can't see. That's a very theatrical way of showing you how we use our hallway hub. Now this has evolved over time. This wasn't something I walked in and went, I know what to do here. Masks, remember when we had to wear all those? A drawer to dump some random stuff. What I'd like to show you today is my new idea for storing things that you might use for DIY, but have them handy in the Hallway Hub-Nook. So I've got this. This was a makeup drawer that I got for myself, and I'm going to use it as a permanent little station for DIY handy things, for little jobs. If you want to hang something up, everything will be here. Let me show you what I'm going to store in it. Stud finder. My husband will tell you I use it to find him. Tape measure. Lady hammer. It's a little lady hammer. That's what I call it. And it's like a Russian doll. It's like a fun game. Oh no, I've hammered the wrong thing. I need to get it out. Or screw something in. Hang on a minute. That's not got the right end. Oh no, that's the wrong end. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 uses. 4 uses from one tiny little lady hammer. Oh, whether you live in the country, on a farm, or in a little teeny tiny apartment, get yourself a little hammer. Mine's a lady hammer. That head screw. Other head screw I can't think the name of. Little scissors. Random stuff. Glue tack. Tape. Tape. Drill bit. Highlighter. Black marker. Temporary hooks that become permanent hooks. Pencil. Little brush, I'm not sure where to put. Might be handy. From some packet of stuff. There we go. We'll just put it right back there. And now it becomes decoration beside the drill and the sunscreen, the key and the sunglasses. And a pretty picture. So there you have it. My Wreck It with Rex Hallway Hub-Nook. It's a funny name, but I like saying nook. And as you can see, it's not perfect, but it's practical and it works. Have a great week, everyone.